This is the One Gutter Guard. Hello, welcome back to the Brothers That Just Do Gutters YouTube channel. My name is Mike, and we would love it if you could subscribe right now. First of all, this video is not sponsored. We did not receive any sort of endorsements or inside tips from One Gutter Guard. This is just one of the guards that we have come to know and commonly install at the Brothers That Just Do Gutters. So the One Gutter Guard. One Gutter Guard is a gutter leaf protection micro mesh product developed by a gutter engineer with over 20 years experience in guard design and development. This guard is a mesh guard. The mesh is designed to combat the rising challenges associated with gutter guards in varying conditions. Let's take an up-close look at the guard and some of the benefits that it offers. Interchangeable and movable screen inserts. This chassis allows for different types of screens to be inserted, allowing the ability to custom tailor the gutter protection system to meet the specific needs of each environment. You can see here how the screen can be manipulated and moved. The screen also allows for easy and seamless installation, especially on corners and other areas such as bays. The different screens that One Guard allows are 12 mesh, 18 mesh, and 24 mesh. Many homeowners have homes in need of different products on different parts of their home. A pine tree, for example, will require a finer mesh, whereas a heavy shaded area with heavy pollen will require a looser mesh. One of the benefits, it allows the installation of larger screens in heavy pollinated areas. Screens can be interchanged without reinstalling guard chassis. All aluminum unibody chassis. The chassis shown here is made from singular piece of aluminum, which provides unrivaled strength and durability. This chassis is pre-drilled to improve installation time and overall ease of use. One Guard also offers a different style guard. This is called a flat back. This is designed to slide up and underneath your shingles without needing to be screwed into your fascia board. So when installed, this chassis is sloped at a 7-degree angle. The pre-sloped angle aids in the correct pitch on the gutter without needing adjustment. The flat back helps to maintain the slope. This is just one of the guards that we can install in your home. If you need or think you need gutter guards on your home, call the Brothers That Just Do Gutters today. Click on the link in the description to find a Brothers Gutters near you. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like, a comment, and let us know what you would like to see in the future. And remember to call the Brothers That Just Do Gutters for all your gutter needs. We are actively trying to bring you the best videos on everything to do with gutters and the gutter business as we grow nationwide.